Hello everybody. This is Jerry. Good thing that I have a bunch of friends with different topics. So, Hazel Oray, hopefully I'm pronouncing your name right. She does a lot of videos on drones, and the drones they just go everywhere, and you can see all the pretty stuff. So it just gave me an idea, let's say that I'm go back to scrapping in the future. Instead of wasting gas, I can fly a drone and go up in the sky and just watch all over the streets, and I can spot, where a microwave is, a oven, refrigerator, whatever. I can fly the drone high or low or whatever, and that way I save gas. Instead of just driving and driving and driving. With the drone, you can see it from above, and you say, okay, this street is over here, so let's go get it. And the other items over here, so let's go to that item, and so on, instead of going street to street. So thanks to her, that's a good idea for the future. I know that some drones they expensive, some other ones they cheap. It just depends how deep your pockets are. But I want to give a shout out to Hazel Oray, and I will go ahead and copy the link and put it in my on this video that I'm gonna make about her. She's real nice, sweet. She always comments on my videos, and me too on hers. Great supporter, but it just occurred to me that's a good idea for scrapping. So thank you. All right, guys, short video. Like I said, if you're new, subscribe, comment, and like. Talk to you later.